Hey guys, this is Chris with Intacct. I want to thank you for taking a look at this short video. This is on one of our newer clusters or widgets that we've built for Sage Intacct, and it's designed to eliminate the need for Concur, Expensify, any kind of third party that you're using to gather company credit card receipts. You can get rid of those apps as part of the Work OS and start building other processes along with it to create your Work OS or your work ecosystem. So what I'm going to walk through today is just company credit cards. So I have a Visa and I have a MasterCard. This could be a fuel receipt just as easily. Whenever I when I swipe my card, need to submit my receipt, I don't have to hold it. So I have this arts and crafts project at the end of the month. I effectively can just submit it in automatically, have it go through an approval process, and then update cash management over into Intacct. Now, the way that I do that is when I'm ready to swipe a receipt, I pull up my phone or my tablet or my desktop and click my credit card receipt form. This form is configurable completely by you. So, if we're dealing with multiple locations, these are my company credit cards that I'm working through. I can snap a picture and give some details about the transaction. You can literally control all of these questions and answers because they're tied to your Intacct implementation. So you check off if you want people to maybe apply if it's billable or not. You can check all of these boxes and kind of make the cadence the way that you wish. Now, as I enter in this information, I distribute it out against multiple coding scenarios. It's going to give me my total, and then that's going to submit it to my manager for review. Now, my manager, she's going to actually approve it, and she's going to review the coding. This is where we go back and forth. You can see how we're saying yes. She actually attached the invoice here to this, so I was just confirming that. But this is where he or she will approve, hold, reject. You can see the managers here. You can see the conversation, even the audit logs. You have the full history of the transaction. This is applicable for every process that you send through here, but this is a company credit card example of an approval. Now, once I've submitted my receipts, I'm kind of done, but I may just want to go check and see status and maybe if it's hit Intacct or not, or just see if something's being held up. Well, I have my insights, which is effectively just my access to the credit cards that I have. So if I want to just go check and peruse how these things are going, this is my Amex bill, this is my Visa bill, and this is the different transactions for the different cards that I can quick search off the vendor or the amount. This little indicator here tells me if it's already hit Intacct. I already have a record ID already here. This gives me also the ability to kind of drill in and see how this thing was coded out as well, and even see the attachments. Now, this is a grid. Obviously, you can search it. You can save additional. If maybe you have specific views of things you want to do, you can save those and kind of add to it, make it your own. And you can also kick it out to an Excel spreadsheet if you just want to generate that and see a list or a history from a particular date range. You can do that as well. So Intacct, super easy. Credit card receipts is one of the most powerful ones that we do because everybody has credit card receipts. And our solution set getting started is generally about half the cost of what you're probably paying for an expense system. So it's a great place to start using the Work OS, but I definitely encourage you to watch some more videos, learn more. We have over 90 processes that work in and around the Intacct application. This marketplace, they are free, so the average customer uses the Work OS for about 15 different processes, and it's everything from purchasing to time collection, all the way to just simple stuff like employee scorecards and weekly manager reports, out of office requests, things that just run the company a little smoother and they're better than a spreadsheet. And we give you the integration to the employee file, the vendor file, all of the things that we're sourcing out of the Intacct application. So that's it for me. That's credit cards with Intacct and the Work OS. And we definitely hope that if you have more information, reach out to your Sage consultant, or you can contact us directly at omnideck.com, omnidek.com. Thanks so much.